In front of me is Realme 7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner and go back by clicking on this arrow at the top left one. Now to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text, and then to paste it, click on Clipboard and tap on your text over here. To delete one of your added sentences, use this pen at the top right corner, click on the chosen one and choose pin icon. If you want to pin it or unpin it though, click on the same pen, tap on your sentence and use this pin icon next to the pin one. Lastly, to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!